Assalamualaikum. Hi to everyone. I welcome you to my channel Sarah's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make goat feet curry. So we're gonna see how we're gonna make it. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family, and do comment down below how did you like it. So let's start with the ingredients. So I have goat feet here. So I'm going to take 4 goat feet. I cleaned them and I washed them thoroughly. So we're going to take that. And then I have onion. These, you can use 3 big onions and cut them like this. Chop them. And then I'm going to use tomatoes. So you can use 2 large size tomatoes. So I'm going to use 3 medium sized tomatoes. So you can take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then green chili pepper. I've taken 4 to 5 or 6 small size. You can take 3 large size ones, depends on how you like it or as per taste. So for salt, I took 1 teaspoon. So you can take as per taste. So for salt, I took 1 tablespoon. You can use as per taste. For red chili powder, I took 2 tablespoons. For turmeric powder, I took half tablespoon. And then for Garam Masala, that's called 7 spices. So I took 1/4 tablespoon. So let's see how we're gonna make it. So I took my cooker. So I'm going to put everything together. I'll show you how we're going to do it. And we're going to add 4 glasses of water to it too. So we're gonna put it on the stove. I put it on we're gonna leave it for 30 minutes on high flame. I turned the flame off. I left it for 2 whistles. Now we're gonna see what happened inside. I'm gonna open it up. It seems like meat is pretty tender now, so it's well cooked. So we're gonna just cook it a little bit more, and then I'll show you what to do next. We're gonna add 1 cup of oil in it. So we're gonna cook it well now. And we're gonna let it simmer till it leaves the oil, or oil is gonna ooze out of it. So now I'm gonna add whole green chili pepper in it. So I'm not gonna cut it. So we're gonna add it just like that. So the oil has been oozing out, and it seems like it's been cooked well now. So we're gonna add 4 glasses of water to it to make it a soup. So now I'm gonna put the lid on and we'll leave it for the next 5 to 7 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna take the lid off and we'll just check how is it. Wow, it seems ready. So you can see that oil has been oozed out on the top. It means it's ready. So I gave it 10 minutes with the lid on with the medium flame and it's ready now. So we're gonna dish it out now. So it's ready now. I dished it out. It tastes really yummy. Try it, let me know how did you like it. You can serve it with naan bread, you can serve it with chapati, with roti. It tastes really good, full of energy. So let me know how did you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscription is totally free. Share my videos with your friends and family. So I'll see you soon. Have fun. Take care. Bye.